Installing a skimmer is one of the most effective methods of removing leaves and debris from a pond, as well as providing a protected location for the pond pump. The Signature 400 is a scaled-down version of the flagship Signature 1000 and contains many of the same features and benefits of its larger counterpart. Starting on the outside of the filter, you will see that the skimmer is constructed out of extremely durable, UV-protected, high-density polyethylene. The rounded shape and curved edges of this filter are designed to provide maximum strength when buried in the ground and enable the filter to withstand freeze-thaw conditions found in colder climates. This shape gives the Signature 400 an advantage over straight-walled, rectangular-shaped filters that frequently bend and distort over time. And as with all Aquascape skimmers, this filter is backed by a lifetime warranty. Moving down along the outside of the skimmer, you will notice the watertight bulkheads that this filter uses for its plumbing connections. This is a nice upgrade to open-hole plumbing ports used with traditional skimmers. These bulkheads provide a professional, watertight connection to attach the plumbing, as well as keep water, dirt, and mulch from entering the back side of the filter. Going around to the front of the filter, you will see that the Signature 400 is equipped with a 6-inch wide skimmer opening. The opening can handle flow rates up to 4,000 gallons per hour and skim pond surfaces up to 400 square feet. Like the Signature 1000 skimmer, the 400 also includes an injection-molded rigid debris basket. This basket is the first stage in mechanical filtration and is designed to remove larger debris from the water. A handle in the front of the basket makes it easy to remove to empty the debris, and is a nice upgrade over traditional mesh skimmer debris nets, which can be more difficult and messy to empty. The second stage in filtration is the high-density filter mat. This semi-rigid filter mat strips out smaller dirt and debris that passes through the debris basket. The filter mat is reusable and can be periodically rinsed down to remove the debris it has collected. The filter mat sits on top of an injection-molded rack that supports the filter mat and creates a protected chamber for the pump to sit in the bottom of the skimmer. The Signature Series 400 pond skimmer also includes a locking weir door feature. Temporarily closing the weir door causes the pump to remove the water inside the skimmer vault, allowing you to keep your hands dry when removing the filter mat or inspecting or conducting maintenance on the pump. The 400 comes equipped with 2 bulkhead ports. The pump plumbing line attaches into one bulkhead, and the overflow can be attached to the other. The angle that the bulkheads are positioned can be used to your advantage by choosing the bulkhead that works best with the direction you want to run the plumbing. The overflow feature automatically maintains the pond at the proper maximum water level. In an overflow situation, such as a heavy rain, the excess water is allowed to travel out the back of the skimmer through a buried pipe that directs the water to a drainage area. Hiding poorly designed pond filters can be difficult, if not impossible. The Aquascape skimmer is buried out of sight along the edge of the pond and includes a natural-looking faux rock lid that makes it extremely easy to camouflage. The rock lid can also be orientated in a number of different positions, which enable you to find the best way to blend the skimmer into its environment.
At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 30 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.